Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, a o ka hua ʻōlelo o kēia la o ia hoʻi o kaikaina. Today's word of the day is kaikaina. Kaikaina, or keikaina, means younger sibling of your gender. Okay, so if you're a boy, it's your younger brother. If you're a girl, it's your younger sister. Okay, let's try and say it. Kaikaina. Okay, now let's try the other way. Keikaina. Maikai. Kaikaina, keikaina, both pololei. Okay, let's try and use that in a sentence. A ohe o'u kaikaina. A ohe o'u kaikaina. Maikai. Maikai. A ohe o'u kaikaina means I do not have a younger sibling. Let's try it a little bit faster. A ohe o'u kaikaina. Maikai. Mahalo, mahalo, mahalo. Aloha.